Hi everyone, welcome back to Maine's channel. My name is Sophia. I'm so excited because I get to unbox and review for you Maine's newest launch. This is the 1.25 inch extended length curling iron barrel. And this is the longest attachment that Maine has came out with in their collection so far, and I'm so excited. Not only is the packaging of all the Maine products so sleek, but the attachments just pop onto the power bottom base so easily. And I love traveling with different attachments and the base because you can just get so many different hairstyles without taking up so much room in your luggage. Now this is a part of Maine's detachable hot tool system, so you are going to need their power bottom base for it. Now when comparing with the Maine 1.5 inch standalone curling iron, the extended length barrel is 2 inches longer than the average, and from bottom to tip it is 8 inches longer. Now for some key highlights, it's made with ceramic and nano coated barrel, which is amazing at delivering a frizz-free, snag-free finish. It also has a kickstand and a cool touch tip, which if you're anything like me and a little clumsy while doing your hair, this is essential. And styling your hair with this barrel is so easy. You can quickly create loose curls and waves. You can also just get the back of your head because there's so much barrel. You can just make sure you wrap all your hair around it. And if you have long hair like me, you can actually get a full curl in one pass, which is pretty tricky with the shorter barrels, so this is so nice. When you're ready to curl your hair, you just heat it up by holding the power button right here. If you want to change the temperature, you can double click the power button to bring it all the way down to 200 degrees or all the way up to 410 degrees. And if you're clumsy like me and have a tendency to accidentally touch the buttons while you're curling your hair, just tap the power button and it locks it in until you physically will turn it off. Genius. And these are 3 different gorgeous styles of curls that you can get when using the extended length barrel. And you can hold the barrel in so many different ways to get different types of textures and curls in your hair. Like holding the tool vertically and wrapping the hair around almost like a curling wand gives you such a pretty loose wave. But if you hold the attachment horizontally and you wrap your hair around it, you get a way more springy, bouncy curl. And then utilizing the clamp and curling the hair up like a traditional curl gives you that voluminous glam curl that's a little bit more bottom heavy. There's just so many unique ways to use this tool. The options are endless. I went ahead and sectioned out my hair so I can give a little demo of how I love to use the extended length barrel. But first I'm going to use the Ready or Not mini detangling brush to take out any knots or tangles before I go ahead and style. I'm going to start off with about a section this size, and to get a more like bottom heavy curl, I'll open the clamp, slide up, and then kind of bring it down, do like a half of a twist till I can pull in more of the ends of my hair, and then I just curl up. And I just let the clamp go. Look how cute this curl is. It was so easy. I can't believe I got the whole strand of my hair in one pass. You can also take a wider section like this and almost use it like a curling wand and just wrap it around the barrel. I just let it sit for a second and then I just drop it. And I love that method for like a really pretty loose wave. Closer to the front of my face, I like to do a bit of a tighter curl, but make sure I curl away from my face. And when I'm taking out the curl, I kind of like to unwrap it and then let the clamp go. I'm just going to go in with a smaller section, kind of doing that curling wand loose wave technique. And then I just let the curl drop, cool it in my hand so it keeps its shape for longer. I just don't think I'll ever get over how amazing it is that all of my hair fits on this barrel. It makes my hair curling process so quick. And just for a little texture, I'm going to throw in a few of those tighter bottom heavy curls. And then I just kind of unfurl it to keep a tighter curl. And look at the shine from my curls. It's just so pretty. I love using this tool too because I know that the back of my head is going to be curled because I'm not missing any pieces. You can also go in with like a horizontal curl by holding the tool this way. Because I have some layers in the front, I like to go in with the barrel to create a little tension just to make sure I get every piece of hair. And again, curling away from my face. I don't hold it for too long just because the front of my hair is a little bit more fragile. And that's like the perfect face framing curl. And this is my hair fully curled. I'm just so obsessed with the results. I love the different types of textures and curls you can get, and it just gives so much body to your hair. It seriously takes me no time at all to curl all of my hair. And these are all the different attachments for the power bottom base. We have the 1.25 inch curling wand, so easy to use to achieve undone waves. Next we have the 1 inch curling iron. I love using this attachment to get some pretty glam waves. And of course the 1.25 inch curling iron extended length, the star of the video. And lastly we have the 1.25 inch jumbo waver, and this one is so fun to get really bouncy, beachy mermaid waves in your hair. All the attachments are just so much fun to use. I love playing around with different hairstyles. I'm so happy that the extended length curling attachment is finally available, and I can't wait for you all to love it as much as I do. Thank you so much for joining me and letting me share with you all Maine's newest exciting launch. And the new extended length barrel attachment is available at Sephora, Sephora Canada, and HeyMaine.com.